How to fix Reels liked by friends update not showing in Instagram. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Instagram has released a new feature where a new section in the Reels tab has been added that displays what video your friends have liked. If you are not getting this new feature, in this video, I will guide you on how you can fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is launch open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Here, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. This is going to give you the new feature. After updating the app, simply launch it open and check if the problem has been fixed. However, if it is still not fixed, you want to open up your settings. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. From this list of applications, you want to find Instagram. Now tap on Storage, then tap on Clear Cache. After this, launch open the app and check if you are getting the feature now. If you are still not getting it, then you can simply uninstall the application. After it has been uninstalled, reinstall it again and then log into your account. Now check if you are getting this feature. If you are still not getting the feature, then it might be because of region and country restrictions. Certain features may not be available in all the regions. Since this is a new feature, it might take some time for this to be available to everyone. So you want to simply update the application and check after some time. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.